Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aid. This video is going to be a guide on the topic how to transfer your Instagram account from one phone to another. Firstly, I'd like to inform you guys that there's nothing called transferring Instagram account from one phone to another, but you can do the same thing by just logging in to your Instagram account in another phone by typing in the username and password of that Instagram account. So let's start the process without any further ado. First of all, tap open Instagram in your old phone. What we're going to do here is we're going to log out from your Instagram from your old phone. Then you can see your profile icon on the right lower corner. Tap on it. Tapping on it will lead you to your Instagram profile page. In this page, you can see a three-lined option in the right upper corner of your screen. Tap on that three-lined icon. Then a menu like this will pop up on your screen and you can see the first option, Settings and Privacy. Tap on that option. After that, in the Settings and Privacy page, scroll down to the bottom of this page. In the bottom, you can see the option of Logout. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you will see the account or any account you have linked with it. So tap on Logout on the bottom of your page. After that, your account will be logged out from this device. Then tap Open Instagram in your new device. Make sure you remember the username and password. Use the username and password to log into Instagram in your new phone. After that, tap in Login and you'd be logged in to your Instagram account in your new phone. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.